keep only what matters. Meet the Grafux Filter block. It keeps only what matters, running saved Python to filter text, images, or video against the exact criteria you set, visually, with no code at all. Whatever you're building, this is where it gets easier. So let me show you exactly how it works. So what is it? Put simply, the filter block keeps only what matters, running saved Python to filter text, images, or video against the exact criteria you set. You give it what it needs, it does the work, and it hands you back filtered, analysis, and code as live data you can wire into anything else on your canvas. There's no setup and no boilerplate. You describe the outcome you want, and the block quietly takes care of the how. But first, why does this even matter? Normally, filtering messy data means one-off scripts you rewrite from scratch for every new rule. It's slow, it's fiddly, and it pulls you right out of your flow. The filter block makes all of that disappear, turning a whole chore into a single, simple node. What used to take a stack of tools and a pile of patience now takes one block and one click. And getting started could not be easier. Just open the block dialog and choose Filter. Describe a criteria. Then press Run. That's the whole thing, 3 steps, from a blank canvas to a working filter block, in seconds rather than hours. And honestly, there's nothing else to learn. If you can describe what you want, you already know how to use it. Now, every block in Grafux speaks in ports. The filter block takes an input, criteria, and code, and gives you back filtered, analysis, and code. And here's the magic. Every one of those is live data. Connect an output to another block, and it simply flows, updating the moment anything changes. That's the whole idea behind Grafux. Small, sharp blocks that snap together into something genuinely powerful. So how does it actually work? Here's the clever part. Under the hood, it just works. Media-aware filtering in one block. From the second you press Run, the filter block handles every step for you. No servers to set up, no plumbing, no configuration. All the heavy lifting happens quietly in the background, so your canvas stays clean and the complexity stays completely out of your way. Alright, let's make this real. Point it at a pile of rows and a rule. Only orders over $100, and the filter block runs the Python and passes on just the matches, with a note on what it dropped. That right there is the filter block, one single node, doing the work of an entire workflow. And you built it just by describing what you wanted. And because those outputs are just data, the real power shows up when you compose. Feed the filter block into a selection block, a memory block, and a command block, and watch the whole thing come alive. In minutes, you have built a living, breathing pipeline visually with zero code. Change one block, and everything downstream updates automatically, always in sync. Best of all, none of this is a solo effort. Grafux is real-time and collaborative. The moment your filter block runs, everyone in the shared diagram sees it update live. You design together, on the very same canvas, whether your teammates are in the next room or on the other side of the world. Cursors, comments, changes. Everyone shares one live canvas, so nothing ever gets lost in a handoff. And that's the real idea behind Grafux. Every capability you can imagine, research, code, hardware, media, memory becomes a block you can see, connect, and run. The filter block is just one piece of a canvas where anything can talk to anything. No glue code, no context switching. Just build. Start with a single block today and grow it into whatever you can dream up tomorrow. So, why do people reach for the filter block? Text, image, or video media-aware. Editable Python ships in the block. It's visual, so there's no code to wire it together. And it's collaborative, so your whole team is right there with you. It is powerful where it counts, and beautifully simple everywhere else. It's the kind of tool that just gets out of your way and lets you focus on the work that actually matters. And think of everywhere it fits. Data cleaning, moderation, deduping, media sorting, triad, or quality gates. And honestly, the list just keeps going. If you can describe it, the filter block can help you build it, and the moment you need something new, another block is only a click away. So go ahead, drop a filter block onto your canvas, and see what you can create. Keep only what matters. Start building on graphics today, and build anything together.